Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting pentesting action by linking Kali Linux with Metasploitable 2. If you're ready to get your hands dirty with some security research, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First things first, Metasploitable 2 is a vulnerable environment designed for penetration testing and security research. When you spin it up in VirtualBox, it won't automatically connect with Kali Linux. We need to make sure both VMs are on the same network. When you launch Metasploitable 2, it usually gets an IP address like 10.0.2.15. If you try to ping it from Kali, it won't respond because they aren't on the same network yet. Let's get them on the same page. We'll create a new NAT network in VirtualBox that matches our local IP range. Open VirtualBox and navigate to the Tools menu. Go to the NAT Network tab. We're going to tweak this to create a new network profile. In the NAT Network tab, click the Create icon at the top. This sets up a new network profile for your VMs. Name your new network and set the IP range, ideally matching your local IP address, 192.168.0.0. Hit Apply. Now, link this new NAT network to both your Kali Linux and Metasploitable VMs. Go into the settings of each VM, find the network settings, and choose the new NAT network you created. Repeat this for both VMs. Run the ifconfig command on Metasploitable to see its new IP address. If everything's set up correctly, both VMs should be on the same network, and you can start pinging away to check connectivity. Now you're all set to start your pentesting adventures. Both machines are on the same local network, and you can test your skills without any network hiccups. Happy hacking! Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this tutorial helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's something specific you'd like to see next. Until then, happy hacking and stay safe.